So this memory interfacing with 8051, today we are going to focus a little bit. You cannot minimize Zoom when you are recording this meeting. What is this new error? Every day it is changing the setting. Okay, I hope you all can see this. It cannot get minimized. Okay, I have not shared. I think I will share this then. Yes, it is now. So in the last session, if you are able to see this slide on your screen, so we have gone through up to this particular point, and the interface 2 KB ROM to 8051, that was the problem given to the homework. So how many of you has solved? How many of you has tried? Just open the notebook and see yourself only. Okay. So today, once again, we will just follow the same thing, and we will try to give justice to this, the interfacing of 2 KB ROM with the 8051. So this is already what we have seen in the last session. So accordingly, how the connections or how this particular interfacing will be look like for 2 KB RAM. The physical connections will be remain the same, but only the logical connections, how we can going to be defined. So that is important, and that we are going to learn today. So those who have tried, so you just verify your answer with what I am now going to draw here. Okay, so for them, we will start with this, the particular, the one of the poll question. So all can see in front of you that only one question today I have just map for you. So just read it carefully and get the meaning of this, and read carefully, sit carefully towards this poll, and try to give the correct answer. Don't make this much hurry that anyone has to choose. Those who have tried, so definitely they can give instantly the answer, but it is a multiple choice question. So that is what the hint from my side. So 8 student has given the instant response. That means they have at least tried at home. That is what the 2K ROM, how it will be, or how this address mapping will be there, and all this. Okay, 10 students. Very good. What about others? Even though you have not tried, you're supposed to just find out here. I will give 2-3 minutes time, because I know that what is needed to find out the answer of this question. If already you have solved, then no time is required for giving the answer. It may be in front of you only. So what is the question? For interfacing 2K ROM, memory mapping will be there. Memory mapping means what? To access the external ROM, some address has to be, we should know. एखादा डेटा त्या ऍड्रेसवर आहे, जर तुम्हाला तो ऍड्रेसच माहित नाही तर तो तुम्ही डेटा कसा रिसीव्ह करणार. सो स्टार्टिंग ऍड्रेस आणि एंडिंग ऍड्रेस, हाऊ टू फाइंड आउट दॅट वी हॅव सीन इन द लास्ट सेशन. So this is what it has been asked, ki starting address what it may be for interfacing of 2K ROM with 8051. Okay, go ahead, go ahead. थोडासा डोक्याला ताण द्या, काय उत्तर मिळतंय बघा तुमच्या मते, and give it here. At the end, definitely I will explain the same, ki how the answer come and which answer is correct. हा खूप महत्वाचा कन्सेप्ट आहे, because the one for offline exam, definitely one problem can be asked on this one. And as per the news from the last yesterday's from news channel, so this time the exams will be offline. So all has to need to take care of that, you're preparing your notebooks, maintain the notebook, and whatever the important points are there, you're supposed to note it down in the notebook. And the attendance is at last the very important one, because few of the students are regularly absent. So on the first, that is during the Diwali only, you will receive a letter from college to your parent. Okay, only 50% student has given the response. What about others? They are here in the session or not? Should I call one by one? Are you there? Last 1 minute we will wait, and I will end the poll. So by that time, I will just give a brief that those who were absent for the last session, what is this? So we are here learning the interfacing of external memory with 8051. 8051 itself has the internal memory, that is the RAM, it is of 128 byte and ROM 4 KB. But additionally, if it is required, if the application is too complicated or a big one, so that time it may be you require the external ROM. So in that case, how to connect and how much we can connect. So that the discussion we had. And for homework, it was given the problem that for 2K ROM, how it can be. Okay, so 1 minute is over. So I am now going to end the poll. Only 60% response I got. Okay, so now first thing is that it was the multiple choice question. So it might be, I have given the hint that more than one option is correct. Okay, so in that, which option may be the correct one? So either first, second, or third, or first two, or second two, or first and three, and or all. These may be all the possibilities are here. So the correct answer is those who have chosen all the three options, they are correct and more correct. Got it? All the three options are correct. मग तुम्ही म्हणताल की सर आपल्याला 2K ROM इंटरफेस करायची आहे, त्याचा स्टार्टिंग ऍड्रेस एक असेल आणि एंडिंग ऍड्रेस एक असेल, तर वेगवेगळे स्टार्टिंग ऍड्रेस कसे असू शकतील. So that is what in the last session we have discussed. That is the first 4 bit. That is the 3 bits. If you are comparing that 800, they are the common here, and the only MSB it is changed. And this is what E or F or D, and how it is going to vary, or how it can be a valid answer. So that definitely we will see here. But at this juncture, the answer is all the 3 answers are correct. So in the exam, if such question will be tricky question will be asked, so your answer should be ready with you. So all the 3 answers are correct. How? That I will prove here. Okay, so be here only, be attentive and give attention. So for that, I supposed to open the Excel sheet. So I will make it. Yes, here. So yesterday we have seen that if 4 KB ROM or RAM has to be connected, so how the starting and the ending address is going to be identified. So today our task is to find out that the 2 KB ROM, if we have to connect, how we can identify that the starting address and ending address. So definitely the first step is to draw the diagram. So what diagram we can draw? So this is what diagram is. The diagram will be same. That is 373 or AD0, AD. So here it is going to be changed A8 to A11. That is how many address lines we required. That is the only one important task or the step first. Or other than this 001, this using 138, that is 3 to 8 decoder, CS bar, that all is going to be remain same. Only here 4 KB, instead of 4 KB, we supposed to write the 2 KB ROM. In that way, it is going to be done there. So what is the difference between the RAM and ROM? So that also we have seen in this particular slide. So if it is the ROM, so that time it is the OE bar. That is the only one is present. And in the RAM, OE bar and WE bar. What was the reason I told? In RAM, we can read write, but in ROM, only read operation is possible. So that's why it is given in this one. Okay. Other things is the same one. So we are referring this one right now. So in this, the only OE bar. So this blue line is going to be present and not this particular WR bar line. So those who have tried, those who have drawn, so you just identify that the diagram will be same except this WR bar line. Okay. Now the second step is that how to choose the address lines. How many address lines required? So for interfacing 2 KB ROM with 8051, how many address lines are required? So your answer, can you put in the chat box, or you can unmute and can tell. 1 minute time will be there. To interface 2 KB RAM or ROM with 8051, how many address lines are required? Hmm. No one? At least one of the student has to give the answer for this, give the response for this. Okay, thank you. So I got one response. Okay, second response. Number 47 has given the response, and that is very correct. Okay, second response I got. Now Omkar has also given. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. And correct answer I received. So that's why I am saying the thank you. Okay, very good. That means the concept you are getting now. Okay, no issue. Here, once again, I will write. Thank you. Stop. Now, we know that 1K means 1024 bytes. That I will know. That means it is equivalent with 2 raised to 10. So 2 raised to 10. So this 10, how to make it just better. 2 raised to 10. Here it is not possible, I think, to make it. Okay, leave that. 2 raised to 10, 1K means. And our question is to just make it a 2K ROM. So 2K ROM, that is 2048 bytes. And that means 2 raised to 11. This is what? That means 11 address lines are required for 2K. 2 raised to 11. Just do it on calculator. So you will get this 2048 bytes. And that's why the correct answer is 11 address lines are required. Okay. So that I answer got. Now we supposed to care is that these 11 address lines are from A0 to A10. This care we have to take. We don't have to make a mistake over here. A0 to A10. Total are 11 like this. So if you are just observing the above this mapping. So from that, the starting address means A0 to A10. Starting म्हणजे सगळे 0. मग सगळेच हे 16च्या 16 0 का? नाही. तर त्यातले 11 लाईन्स किंवा 11 बिट्स we can put as a 0. So just I am doing the same thing. You just observe. And up to 810 only, means here only. So this will be, we are going to put as a 0 at the start, as it is the start one. Okay. आणि जर maximum म्हणलं, that is the ending. So this all zeros we supposed to make it 1 1 1. So this will be the maximum. Okay. So this is what we are saying. This is the maximum range. But what about the remaining bits? So for that, we supposed to refer the diagram here first. So in this A0 to A7, this will be as it is. Here, A8 to A10. Those who have tried or those who have drawn the diagram, so just verify A8 to A10. ह्या lines इथं connect करायच्या आहेत. So remaining is 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So it is on you that this is the fixed connections, that is for 3 to 8 decoder, 13, 14, 15 we have used. A12 it is been used. Okay, so remaining is A11. So it depends on you, that is the user, whether it has to give the 0 or 1. It totally depends on you only. That is A11 will be 0 or 1. Okay. So that once again here. So A11 will be 0 or 1. So by default, for not making complicated, we will choose 0 0. Both. Whatever you will take here, that the same we have to apply over here. So this is what A11 we have did. Now, once again see the diagram. A11 is over. A12. So A12 is connected to the G1. That is the enable line. So this is active high. So it should be compulsory 1. It should be compulsory 1. Always remember. म्हणजेच A12 हे 1च असलं पाहिजे. So let us go here and do it. A12 must be 1. त्याशिवाय ते डिकोडर ऑनच नाही होणार आणि ते त्या पुढचा रॉम सिलेक्टच होणार नाही. So this is also we have finalized that this will be the 1 1. Now remaining is these 3 bits. So again go to the diagram. So here this is A13, A14 and A15. Okay, so it again depends on you की 001 घ्यायचंय का 111 घ्यायचंय. पण त्याच्यानुसार इथलं जे कनेक्शन्स केलेलं आहे इथं Y1 कनेक्ट केलेलं आहे CS बारला. सो दॅट्स वाय इट इज 001. इथे जर Y7 कनेक्ट केलं असतं तर 111. Okay, so with that we will go to the once again to the XLS and I will write or I will choose 111. जे इथं चूज केले तेच तुम्हाला कंपल्सरी इथं चूज करावं लागतं. Due to that only I am putting the coloring also here. आता बघा, total all the fields we have filled. Now you can identify the starting address. कसं करायचं? 4 चा ग्रुप करा आणि त्याचं हेक्स मध्ये लिहा. So it is F and then all zeros. So F000H. Got it? So this is what the how we can write the starting address. But in the poll, whatever the answers were given, so accordingly, what I did that I will tell here. So that time, this A11 bit, he me ektar 0 घ्या किंवा 1 घ्या. That my sentence was. So here, instead of making 0, I will choose 1. हे चूज 1 करायचं म्हणजे काय तर ही A11 बिट VCC ला कनेक्ट करायची आहे जर प्रॅक्टिकली आपण करायला लागलो तर, कारण त्याच्यानुसार हे ऍड्रेस ठरले जातात. अँड नाउ इफ आय मेक दॅट चेंज, सो कॅन यू टेल द स्टार्टिंग ऍड्रेस? इज इट गोइंग टू बी रिमेन सेम और इट इज गोइंग टू चेंज? आन्सर विल बी चेंज. सो इट विल बी F800 कारण 1000 म्हणजे 8. Okay, so this was the one of the starting address what it was given in the poll, F800. Got it all of you how it came? And the ending address, if you will identify, so it will be all ones that we can see from here. So just closing eyes, FFFFH. This will be the address for this particular interfacing of 2 KB ROM. Interfacing the 2 KB ROM. So this is the one way of just making this the particular interfacing of 2 KB ROM. Starting address F800 and the ending address it will be FFFF. I hope you all understand. If not, just once again just check this video, identify that key how much the ROM it has been taken, how taken, why it is chosen. The color coding also I have made it separately intentionally so that you will understand this. Got it? So this is the diagram, because for this question, that is the interface 2 KB ROM to 8051. So first thing is that this diagram. So what the changes will be there in this diagram? This instead of 4 KB, 2 KB. Instead of this WE bar and WR bar, this should not be there. Other thing is here A8 to A10 it should be, and A11 has to connect to the VCC. A11 has to connect to the VCC. So in that way, this particular the diagram is to be constitute. The other all these things, that is J2A, J2B, all it should be the as it is, whatever it is been shown in this. And for our address, that is for this F800, अजून काय चेंज होणार आहे तर इथं 111 मी घेतलेलं आहे, तर Y7 has to connect to CS bar. Y7 has to connect to CS bar. So that way you supposed to just make the connection. So for our sake, I will try here to just make it that. So suppose this is a 8051 block. This is what the memory, it's 2 KB, and here it is the buffer, this IC 383. Here it is the 3:8 decoder. Now this is the diagram, so we have drawn just quickly. Just sorry, what did this happen? So just I'm redrawing the same diagram. So those who have not uh, tried, so they can draw with me. So this is the what. So 3 inputs will be there for this decoder. But as we are giving the 111, so we're supposed to connect the Y7 line to the CS bar and the RD bar. This is one of the line has to be connect. So this much is the only it has been required for this one. So this is A7AD0 and one more it is required for the remaining address lines. This one. So in this way it is going to be present, or the block diagram will be there. So if I will draw here that the, so this will be A0 to A7 address line. Here 8 address lines and remaining are here A8 to it is A10. Okay, A11, as I told, we're supposed to connect to the VCC. So it will be A11. A12, it is connected over here. A12, which must be 1 always. And here A11, as it is connected to VCC, so it will be 1. And the remaining, that is A13, A14, and A15. So I chosen this all 1. So here the Y7 has to connect to the chip select CS for this 2K ROM. So I hope you will understand this drawing, because with the help of mouse only I just am drawing this. So this is the 373, which is the buffer IC. So it is just bifurcation of this particular this line for the communication of data, that is D0 to D7. So as we told that these are the multiplexed. मग कधी address म्हणून वापरणार, कधी data म्हणून वापरणार, which is going to be decided by, which is this line, which is ALE, address latch enable. So this is also needed. So this must is the required for this interfacing of any of this particular. So here you're supposed to give that the RD bar and all this one. Okay, so this is what the diagram I have tried to draw, and this is what you might be has drawn. What is this skip? Okay. So this is what the memory interfacing and memory organization. This part or this bit is over for this 8051. So with this, we will move towards the next point here, and which is nothing but the special function registers. So again, it is related with the memory, and the next part for the memory, that is the instructions and the programming. Okay, so this special function registers, it is related with the memory part. So let us go fast because we have already seen that the how this particular the RAM, it is going to be distributed 128 byte yesterday only, or the previous sessions. So the lower 128 byte and upper 128 byte. So in lower 128 bytes, what is there and what is there in that upper 128 bytes? So upper 128 bytes are nothing but this SFR. So in SFR, which registers are coming? So this is a brief summary of that one. So total 21 SFRs are available or present, or they can be used as per their the different uses, the nomenclature and their distribution. It has been done in this way. So this is very important slide. As far this the particular the program is also important, because whenever you are going to do the coding, which register has to be used, when it is to be used, and how it is to be used. So these three basic questions are important. So accordingly, this bifurcation is also should know to each and everyone, those who are doing the coding. So just note it down this in the notebook. Open the notebook and pen. Write it, the SFR categories, and in the today's date, you just note it down this particular the bifurcation of this total 21 SFRs. So all we have just discussed in a bit, but in detail, today we are going to start. So register A and register B, they are known as math or CPU registers. So these sentences are very important as far as the MCQ is also been concerned. So A also stands for the accumulator. A and B, two registers are there whose capacity is of 8 bits. Always remember that capacity is also, or the size of that register is also very important. Then next one is the status register. So it is the PSW, that is program status word. The size of this particular register is also of 8 bits. Then pointer registers. So two pointer registers are available. That is one is the DPTR and another one is the SP, data pointer and stack pointer. So in data pointer, as it is having the capacity or the size of 16 bit, it is bifurcated in again 2 8 bits. So lower and upper, lower or higher, like that, DPH and DPL. So higher data pointer and lower data pointer, it is bifurcated in that way. So how it is bifurcated, what is the meaning of each field, that we are going to see one by one. IO port latch. So how many ports are there that we have discussed already? So 4 ports are there. How much is the size of these ports? What is their function? So all that we have seen. So 4 ports are there and each one is having the 8-bit capacity. Next one is the peripheral control registers. So they are also very important whenever you are going to interface any device or the instrument to this particular the 8051. So these registers are playing main role. So PCON, SCON, TCON, T-mode, IE and IP. So their capacity or the size or the content of this particular instruction. So that one by one we're supposed to learn here. And the last one, that is the peripheral data register. The earlier is कंट्रोल रेजिस्टर, त्यांना कंट्रोल करायसाठी, की ऑन करायसाठी, ऑफ करायसाठी, स्टॉप करायसाठी, पॉज करायसाठी, कंटिन्यू करायसाठी, द अर्लियर वन. बट what the actual data is going to be transferred from the peripheral to the 8051 or 8051 to peripheral. So that is the this timer and the buffer registers are there. So two timers are there of each capacity of 16 bit. So that also keep remember, that is T0 and T1. जिथे जिथे 16 बिट येतं तिथे तिथे त्याचं बायफर्केशन होतं 88 बिट मध्ये. सो TL0 and TH0, TL1 आणि TH1. So that is the bifurcation of this the two timers. In addition to that timers, one buffer register is also there under this particular peripheral data registers. Okay, so this is the main categories. आणि प्रत्येक रेजिस्टरला, रेजिस्टर म्हणलं की मी तुम्हाला जसं बायफर्केशन दाखवलं की मेमरी लोकेशन्स असतात प्रत्येकाचे, की त्या लोकेशनला गेलं. जर तुम्हाला हे आता पिकॉन पाहिजे किंवा अक्युमुलेटर पाहिजे, सो इन्स्टेड यू कॅन राईट ए, त्यांचा ऍड्रेस जरी लिहिला तरी तो ऍक्सेस होऊ शकतो. हाऊ दॅट ॲट द टाइम ऑफ प्रॅक्टिकल टुमॉरो वी आर गोइंग टू सी दॅट, की इन्स्टेड ऑफ रायटिंग ए, अक्युमुलेटर ऐवजी जर तुम्ही ऍड्रेस लिहिला तर डेफिनेटली दॅट विल बी टेकन ॲज अ अक्युमुलेटर, कारण प्रत्येकाला एक फिक्स युनिक असा मेमरी लोकेशन असाइन केलेलं आहे. अँड दिस इज व्हॉट इट इज बीन शोन इन दिस पर्टिक्युलर स्लाइड. सो एवढे जे ऍड्रेस वगैरे लक्षात ठेवणं तर इट इज अ लिटिल बिट hard, but the main you can just remember. Or this sheet you supposed to just make a one print and just keep with us only whenever we are doing the programming or we are making the coding. So for example, this particular the accumulator. So accumulator चा ऍड्रेस काय आहे तर E0H, B रेजिस्टरचा F0H, डेटा पॉइंटर DPH, DPL, नंतर IE. So their meaning also they have given over here. IP, नंतर 4 पोर्ट P0 चा ऍड्रेस आहे. So this in MCQ sometimes it is been asked. So that time you supposed to be remember की accumulatorचं काय आहे, पोर्ट 0, पोर्ट 1, 2, 3 चा काय आहे, महत्वाचे आहे. टोटल 21 आहेत, but from that you supposed to be remember the whatever you can. Stack pointer it is there. So timer it is here, TL0, TH0, TL1, TH1. So what is their starting address? That is 8A, 8C, 8B. In that way, we supposed to be remember. PCON, that is power control. So this power control is also very important as far as the power controlling is needed for this 8051. The additional facilities here, that is the sleeping mode. की जर एखादं ऑपरेशन चालू आहे, means the internally, so that time others has to be get sleep. So that function, so that saving of power is possible in this 8051. मग ते कसं केलं जातं, त्याचे कंटेंट्स काय आहेत या पर्टिक्युलर ह्याची, कारण मी काय सांगितले की प्रत्येक ह्याची कॅपॅसिटी किती आहे, साईज 8 बिट. मग त्या 8 बिट मध्ये 0 द्यायचं का 1 द्यायचं, तर त्याचा फॉर्मॅट आहे एक पर्टिक्युलर. And according to your need of application, you supposed to write there. And that how to write that one by one in next unit we are going to learn. In this unit only we are going to focus की त्याचा फॉर्मॅट काय आहे आणि त्यात काय काय आहे आणि त्याचा उपयोग काय आहे, की त्याच्यानुसार मग कुठलं वापरायचं, कधी वापरायचं आणि कसं वापरायचं. So these basic questions we are going to concentrate. Okay, so all of you gone through this. एकदा रीड करा हे, ऍटलीस्ट रीड. रिमेंबर इट इज मे नॉट पॉसिबल दॅट की पहिल्यांदा रीड केले की हा सगळं लक्षात राहील, बट यू जस्ट गो थ्रू दॅट द नंबर. 21 SFRs आहेत 8051 ला, आणि त्यांचं प्रत्येकाचं लोकेशन हे फिक्स असतं. जसं मी विचारले की आता पोर्ट 1 चं फिक्स लोकेशन, मेमरी लोकेशन काय, सो युअर आन्सर मस्ट बी 90H, because tomorrow's poll is depending on that one only. So as the tomorrow Saturday is here, and as per the timetable, it is a practical day. So those who took the 2 doses of this vaccination, so they can report to the college. In that way only this practical day is formed and it is included in the timetable. So right now, those who have completed the 2 doses of vaccination, they can report to the college on each Saturday. Those who are in a pipeline, so you just take the dose, the first, second, whatever it is, and fit yourself. And after that, you can also, or all can, we will meet after the this probably after the Diwali, because up to 1st of October, if you have completed the both the doses, then and then only you are allowed to attend this physically. This is what the university has told, given the instruction. So the others just complete these doses, so that after Diwali, the another one notification will come that those who have taken the second dose also, they can go directly to the college. Okay, so I hope you have gone through this, the all 21 SFRs. Then one by one, we will go with this. So first, that is the first SFR that we have seen or we have read, is that this is the register A. Register A. So what is this register A? It is the accumulator. What is its address? E0. From where I have taken here, E0. So how much is the size of this accumulator? As I told, 8-bit. So accumulatorचा उपयोग काय? तर कुठल्याही अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेशन मध्ये, लॉजिकल ऑपरेशन्स मध्ये, अक्युमुलेटर मध्ये डेटा फक्त ठेवण्यासाठी त्याचा उपयोग केला जातो. सो देर इज नो सच एनी फॉर्मॅट. 8 बीट आहेत ते इथं दाखवलेले आहेत. बीट 0 to बीट 7, LSB, MSB आणि त्याचा ऍड्रेस E0H. त्याचा बीट फॉर्मॅट असा स्पेसिफिक असा काही नाही. अक्युमुलेटर रिसेट करायचं म्हणजे काय, तर त्याला सगळीकडे 0 0 0 0 0 द्यायचं की ऑटोमॅटिकली अक्युमुलेटर बिकम्स द रिसेट. रिसेट म्हणजे 0, सेट म्हणजे 1. कायम लक्षात ठेवा. गॉट इट? So this is the first register, that is the accumulator. There is no any specific format. Similar for the register B, of which the location in the memory RAM, that is the, it is stated at the F0H. F0H हा रजिस्टर B चा ऍड्रेस आहे. तुम्ही रजिस्टर B लिहिण्याच्या ऐवजी F0 जरी लिहिलं H, तर तो सेम ऍक्सेस होणार आहे रजिस्टर B. ह्याचा पण काही स्पेसिफिक फॉर्मॅट नाहीये, कारण हा सुद्धा ए सारखाच म्हणजे अक्युमुलेटर सारखाच ऍडिशनल रजिस्टर आहे. सो they can be used as a bit 0 to bit 7. For reset, the same, all zeros if you are giving, so this will become the reset. Okay, so this is what the first two SFR registers we have seen today. So I hope we will stop here, and in the next session we are going to continue with this particular the SFRs. So see this video once again, once, twice, whatever it is possible. Just go through that so that you will get the all others. If any doubt is there, you can ask to me directly, no issue, or discuss with your friends. So I will stop sharing here. I will just check out the attendance, and after that you can just put your roll numbers in the chat box and you can leave the session for the next. So I can see here the roll number 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 5, 6, 7. 7. Roll number 7. Are you here? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are there. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 32. I saw him. Where? Okay. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. 43 is not here. 45.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday you was absent. You are regularly absent, sir. So don't be absent. Hmm? Continuing these sessions. 46. Absent. 47.
Present, sir.
Sir, you are also too many times are absent.
Yeah, sir.
हा टेक केअर. अटेंडन्स खूप महत्वाची आहे. परत ते लेटर घरी गेले की परत हे होतं.
Okay.
48. 48 no. 49 no. 50 is regular. Okay. Now chat box मध्ये तुमचे नंबर्स लिहा आणि you can leave. Thank you.
So 13 present.
13 present. Yes, madam.
Sir, 25 present.
फक्त 7, 43, 46, 48, 49 are absent today. Thank you. You can just once again just put in the chat box and you can leave this the particular session. Okay. Thank you.